Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add people on Duolingo in 2025. So make sure you will just download this application on your mobile device, and I will be just open it, and make sure you will just create your profile simply by email, and make sure you will have also logged in. And I will be just move in the top right bottom corner of three dots, and I will be just move in profile. So in the profile we will get option like add friends, and I will just tap on it. So basically if you want to just add friends on Duolingo, so you will just there are three methods. You will just choose from your contacts list. You will just have to allow access to contacts, turn on contacts in settings to find friends on Duolingo. And you will also search by name if they are your friend have just created the Duolingo account on it. And the third option is that you will just share the follow link. If I just tap on it simply, so this is my QR code, and you will just send it for, on like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, or Facebook by direct link. So it will just follow you, so you will be just make friends on Duolingo. So these are the three ways to find your friends, and you will just add it easily. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.